Are you looking for an activity in San José del Cabo? Art Walk is an activity that every Thursday they do this activity, so let's see what is going on around. So we are here in the Art Walk. As you know, this activity is used on Thursday. It starts in the afternoon and then during the night, okay? Majority of the people that come here for the first time, they love it because it's like a small downtown and all the people here are from somewhere in the world.
I'm not gonna start this walk without my churros.
Yes, yes. Very nice.
Why art walk? Well, you can walk through all the galleries that all the artists are offering.
Look at the beautiful colors.
So how do you find the art walk in San Jose? Well, you just gotta type the art walk in the map and it will take you right in the middle of the place where to start to see the art, okay? So if you come with a car, there is plenty of parking lots where you can put your car, and actually they will charge you like $1 per hour. But if you want to park for free, the Centenario Avenue is an option for you.
They have in this restaurant very nice postres. And it looks like very cozy, very aesthetic. Right now we arrived to the art exposition where all the local people are showing their art for you to buy it or enjoy it, okay? I love this restaurant. I all the time say that if you are here in San Jose, make sure you visit this restaurant here at this corner. Mira ese perro. Qué grande. Vamos por aquí. ¿Por qué son triángulos?
¿Por qué triángulos?
Eso fue lo primero que me llamó la atención.
Sí, la idea nació con este de aquí. Con este que pues tenía los espacios vacíos en las esquinas. Entonces lo probé en computadora, ya lo hice luego en físico, me gustó. Pero dije, ocupa algo más para realmente usarlo. Aquí lo que me gustó, pues el triángulo es una figura geométrica básica, pero muy sólida, con mucho equilibrio. Representa varias culturas, pero lo que aquí me causó más impacto fue que son 3 lados.
No, este está precioso. Este está demasiado lindo. Yeah, this art walk, it seems totally different than the past video. But I remember this artist. I remember him. Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
How are you?
Sí, ahora estoy haciendo técnica en blanco y con textura. La otra vez que vinieron estaba un poquito colorido.
Ajá.
Ahora está blanco, igual con la misma personaje, igual con las mismas
Sí.
emociones.
Mucho gusto, igual me gustó todo el arte.
¿Cómo están?
Mira, mis amigas.
Pero son de hermanas todas, son muy parecidas.
Sí, somos unas chicas superpoderosas. And here, this is the all local people selling their art.
In this area, you will find art gallery which a wide range of pieces such as sculpture, painting, photography, jewelry, and even popular craft from the Baja California region. Here you can enjoy with your couple, alone, or with your friend or family.
So this is a very famous bar that we have here in the Art Walk. If you want tacos, you should go to La Lupita, which is behind you.
different.
Of course, if you get hungry, you have plenty of restaurants, bars, different nationality like Italian, Chinese, Mexican, whatever you're looking for sure you will find, okay? What I really enjoy is the artistic performance, like live music, typical dances, open air theaters, and the best part is the atmosphere of the city of San José del Cabo. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.